hey, people are talking out their neck, they talking out their ass, really, is what I want to say, and they're not being authentic with you. What up, YouTube? My name is CJ. This is CJ Knows Tech, where I know tech so you don't have to, and I'm making this simple for you, player. Basically, in today's video, what I'm gonna do, I'm giving you a first, like real talk first impressions. I have not put these in my ear. I haven't even set them up yet. Like I just connected them, but I never heard them. So you're gonna hear me listen to these for the first time, giving you live reactions, all of that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned, man. And look, I ain't gonna really bore you with unboxings, but I'm gonna hit you with some unboxing B-roll. So I picked these bad boys up today. You know what I mean? It's release day. I'm gonna try to hurry up and get this video out today, man. I'm working hard lately. And if you ain't watched my AirPod rant, you can watch that after this video because I have to talk to the technology snobs, all these people in the community, and I don't want you guys to get swayed in the wrong direction. I don't want your opinion of Apple products or just anything that's released to be skewed. You know, everyone's nitpicking at the Pro name and all this stuff. They haven't even used the dang on AirPods Pro and they over there telling you to get the Powerbeats Pro. Well, I own both and I'm gonna tell you the real. Also, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna listen to these. I'm gonna listen to my AirPods 2 right here, live on the spot, and I'm giving you real live reactions. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned, baby, and smash that subscribe button because I got a bunch of stuff coming, man. I got the Pixel 4 XL review coming. I'm gonna have an in-depth review of the AirPods Pro. I'm gonna put them to use. I listen to my AirPods like on a daily, well, there's a certain day span, but I'll do like 4 to 5 hours of hardcore listening in different environments, noise in the background, and so forth. So I really put them to the test. So my review on them is really gonna give you that real talk about them. And also, you know, for those who didn't know, man, I used to be into like music production, audio engineering and all that stuff. So I know what good sound is, but I'm not a sound snob or technology snob. I'm not into all that FLAC and DAC and all that audio because that's not what AirPods are for, but they still offer decent sound. So, you know what I mean? Don't listen to the haters out there. Oh, I can get higher quality and all that stuff. Man, they're trying to look at it from their point of view. These are the most convenient, most make sense earbuds that you can use with an iPhone, like period. Like it's just, it flows in the ecosystem. Yes, the ecosystem is a trap. Anytime I talk about the ecosystem, I'm gonna remind you it's a trap. Disclaimer, CJ did not get you here, you got yourself here. So let's get into the first impressions. All right, player, we got them, man. So look, man, they here, you know, release date. Oh, these are not them, these are the old ones, you know what I'm saying? I got them because, you know, I'm gonna listen to both right here live on the spot, let you know. Let me open these up, let me get my thumbnail, you know what I mean? Gotta get my thumbnail game on. Hold on, y'all. All right, AirPods Pro on deck. Oh, quick note, if you do not have the latest iOS 13 on your smartphone, these things, when you try to pair them, they're gonna say, hold up, player, get the latest. And literally, you won't get the best experience of features offered between this and your smartphone if you do not upgrade to the latest iOS. So go do that, player, do it right now. If you haven't gotten them yet, go ahead and upgrade now. And I'm a player about to let you know how these sound, so let's put them in the ear, man. Bam. Oh. Woo, soon as you put them in, noise cancellation happens, and now my environment is about as quiet as it's a little eerie in here. Hello? Hello? Tim Apple? All right, so let's get into it. You know, I gotta play my Nip, play one of my favorite songs on Nip's latest album, Keys to the City. You know what I mean? And fun fact, I know the person singing on here and I met Nip before, so, you know, West Side, South Central. Anyways, I'm about to press play on here and listen to this. It's one of my favorite songs, and it's not just because I know people on the song, it's because the song knock, and I like the vibe of it. Woo! You hear the bass instantly. Like this song, it has some bass hits in it, and it has a really low sub line at a certain point. It's not all throughout the song, and when you hear that sub line hit, so if there's bass in this song and bass in these AirPods Pro, I'm gonna hear it. Now, I'm talking while I'm listening. Let me shut up. Run around with the paper bag. Run around with the paper bag. Going crazy, spending all this cash. Around dirty, don't need a seatbelt. Nah, it don't cost to keep it real. Run up, get done up. Hey. So right off the bat, I'm gonna tell you right now that the audio experience with these is so much more immersive, like you're in the song. Now with the previous AirPods, you know, you always have your ambience noise of your outside and so forth. So that is always there, which is good though, because you have a good combination. You're not cut off from the world. This active noise cancellation is not really cutting me off. I can still hear myself speaking right now. I may be speaking louder. I don't know, because, you know, it's kind of like I'm cut off. Let me turn on transparency real quick and let's see what that sounds like before I jump in the back into the nip. You know what I'm saying? Let's hit this up. Okay, transparency is on and woo, okay, player, all right. It sounds a lot more natural than the other, you know, ambience or whatever it is, because this has the natural vent. So you're getting your natural voice plus the amplification from the microphone. So it's like a little combo of those two, but it sounds very natural and organic. Now on other headphones, like say the Galaxy Buds, you can tell that it's just taking the microphone and then it's playing you back the audio from what the microphone is picking up. This is kind of like a combination, but it's really a lot more natural. I think it's more natural vocal with a little bit of that amplification, just to make sure you hear your surroundings. You know what I'm saying? You hear players trying to sneak up on you and all that stuff. You gotta stay woke out here. All right, so I'm gonna get out of transparency, go back to noise cancellation. Oh man. And now I'm gonna get back to some nip real quick. Oh man, did I just turn my volume up? Oh, player, hold up. All right, don't blow my ears out. Hey y'all, make sure y'all don't play your AirPods too loud. You want to be able to hear when you get old. You don't want to be yelling like I am right now because I can barely hear stuff around me. They gonna get down. I got the key to the city. Okay, so while I'm getting in my groove and I'm really vibing, I'm about to switch them. So that way, you know what I mean, I really will notice whatever happens with the differences. Bow. All right. Get the AirPods 2 in. So AirPods Pro are $50 more than what you would pay to get the AirPods 2 with the wireless charging case. And these have wireless charging, AirPods Pro do. So let's listen. Now this is at the same volume. Wow, it's so much lower. All right, I gotta turn it up. Bunch of frontline millionaires. I really took it there. So you definitely notice the difference. The audio is not as immersive, it's not as loud. You're not as cut off from your environment, which is cool. I actually like that about the AirPods. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in AirPods Pro, turn on transparency, and just kind of compare that to like the natural experience that you really get with AirPods. But you definitely notice the difference. It's definitely, you have to turn these up to get in anywhere. Well, you don't really get the same immersiveness or the same like just locked into the music vibe, but that's not a bad thing necessarily. Let me put in the AirPods Pro. For the players who want to save $50, you know what I'm saying? I still recommend AirPods to anybody who uses an iPhone, regardless if it's the Pros or the regular, the 2s, or even the 1s. They all fire. Woo, active noise cancellation jumped straight into working, man. And what's really dope about, they got the music turning on. So, if you guys don't know, the way that the active noise cancellation works, it's active. It's like consistently, and it's always measuring your environment and adjusting. That's that technology. See, so when Apple do things, they really like to take their time and put the tech into it. I know they have their flaws. Apple's not perfect. I'm not taking up for them in that sense. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on transparency. All right, I hear myself. And then I'm gonna go to the music. Okay. It's still more immersive because you got those rubber tips kind of cutting out your environment. And then you can hear yourself. How do you adjust the transparency sound? I mean, I think there's a way to adjust the amount of transparency. Let me see. I got the key to the city. I don't know how to adjust the amount of transparency. I know it's adjustable. I don't know how to do it though. So, you know, I just got these, man. First impressions, I'm keeping it a buck, but I just wanted to give you guys like my vibe. Now let me turn that off. And let's just see what these sound like regular. It's definitely a lot lower, kind of like the regular AirPods, but it's not as ambient noise because you got these rubber tips giving you that seal. Woo! Noise cancellation is a major, improvement vibe. All right, so I gotta use them. I gotta put them through their tests. You know what I mean? I gotta really go hard on them like I do all headphones that I use. Wow, you can just hear the difference when you pull these out. So active noise cancellation does make a difference. I just wanna let you know that up front. These do sound good. I don't want to say like great right now. I don't want to be all hyped up off the vibe and stuff. I really want to get into them before I like tell you like, oh, go run out and get them or anything like that. But they do sound improved, better. I'm saying too much, man. Listen to me. I'm gonna get into the review. Yo, smash that subscribe button because the review is coming. Oh, let me address those sound snobs out there that are like, you know, I could get Bose and all these other things and I listen to audio and FLAC and all this stuff. Look here, player, man, let me just say something. Not everybody, you are a minority amongst everybody, the majority. Wait, let me make sure that rhyme real quick. You are a minority amongst the majority. Basically, not everybody is even into FLAC and high quality audio. People are into convenience more. When you go, oh, this is trash, and you haven't even used them. Everybody's, these are trash, I get better quality. You haven't even listened to the quality. I get better quality doing this and stuff, man. Hey, people are talking out their neck, they talking out their ass, really, is what I want to say. And they're not being authentic with you. And there's gonna be some reviewers who have that color opinion as well, so beware of that. Listen to the person that speaks for the majority, man. The majority of people love AirPods because of convenience, man. They connect like that. It's easy, it's seamless. They integrate into the ecosystem very well. The ecosystem is a trap. Every time I bring up the ecosystem, I gotta warn you, I gotta send out that disclaimer because if you end up in it, I didn't put you there, you put yourself there. All right, player, you ain't finna be coming for me. So basically what I'm saying is give the AirPods Pro a shot. And all the people, oh, not Pro. Listen, man, Pro is the way that Apple differentiates their higher end offering to their normal offering. Got it? It's as simple as that. So, my name is CJ, baby. Y'all already know, man. I know tech, so you don't have to smash the sub button. Hey, if you're looking to get these AirPods Pro, I got links in the description, player. Go get your some, get your one, get your two, get your three. It's Christmas.